There is a Toby in there.
No, there is no big Tobies.
No, there is a Toby in there. I see him.
No, there's
The
no
brown
big
one?
Tobies. There's no bigger one.
Okay.
That's a little one.
Okay. But it's not a baby.
Yes, it is a baby. Hey, where's the? Hey, it fell.
Yeah, it fell down. Put
Why
it back.
It fell down.
Put it back in because it's not stuck in there. Just put it back in.
I guess it needs tape.
You want to tape it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put some tape in here. Stick in here so that this can stick.
Okay, sure. I can give you some tape.
See, it won't stick. I'm gonna show you how it's not gonna stick. Ow. See?
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it last. It's gonna do it soon.
Okay. Oh.
Thomas fell. Now put tape in it.
Yeah, I'll put some tape in it.
And then it will stick.
Hey Kai, oi te ki, oi kalna te ki.
Please.
Oi kalna te ki.
Maybe it needs to be like this.
Kayu, oi kalna te ki diyeche.
It needs, maybe
Kayu.
it's gonna do it now.
Kayu, te ki
Mommy and
diyeche.
Daddy.
Yeah. That's right. That's who gave it to you, Mommy and Daddy.
When out of me and not out of Ronan.
Well, actually, Daddy went and bought it by himself. He bought it by himself. For you and Ronan.
My friend for me and Ronan.
Because he thought it would be a good toy that you would like to have.
But they said, but they didn't said to put cheese.
I'm taking video.
Cheese.
You don't have to say cheese, I'm taking video.
Cheese.
It's not a picture, it's a video.
What video?
Like a movie. It's like a movie.
Me, I want to see.
Okay, well you can come over here, but you're not going to see yourself. You'll see your Thomas box. Look, you see the Thomas box in the picture? You see all your toys?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's Roni doing?
He's waking up somewhere.
No, he's sleeping.
But is he taking a long time?
Yes. Can I have a kissy? Okay, I'm going to turn it off.